Adventures of Willow, all about waves. We'll learn about the basics of waves and the different types of waves and how you can calculate frequency. The line in the middle is called the midway line or resting line. And on a wave, so the blue line is the wave, the very top is called the crest and the very bottom is called the trough. The amplitude is a measurement of how big the wave is. So from the midway line to the top or the crest, the amplitude is measured in meters. The wavelength is a measure from one crest to the next crest or from one trough to the next trough. This diagram shows the two ways of measuring wavelength, and it also provides the symbol we use to represent wavelength. Frequency refers to how often a wave passes through a certain spot. On the left is low frequency, where it's very spaced out, and on the right is high frequency, where they're very close together and there's more waves happening. Low frequency waves have very low energy and high frequency waves have very high energy. You measure frequency in hertz, represented by VHz. Waves represent the transfer of energy. Just like when a dog barks, we can hear the bark because the sound waves are transferring that energy to our ear. There are two types of waves we'll go over. A transverse wave is a wave that is produced by an up and down motion that goes in a given direction. The second are longitudinal waves. This is a side-to-side motion, similar to playing tug of war with a toy. To calculate the frequency of a wave, you take how many waves have passed in a given amount of time. For example, if 20 waves have happened within 4 seconds, that gives you a total frequency of 5 hertz. To calculate the speed of the wave, you multiply the frequency by the wavelength in meters.